at the end of the day, please don't give up on your fitness journey because you feel a certain way. On your negative body days, it is actually very, very required to slow down your movement. There's something we do on those days where you feel fat. We'll go into exercising and doing really hard exercises, 5,000 jump ropes, 100 squats, only makes you feel more miserable. So I really want you to, on those days where you're having a bad body image day, slow down, wear comfortable clothes, treat yourself with extra kindness than you would on those days when you're having a positive body image, right? Take your time, wear comfortable clothes for that season, take hot green tea, romanticize your life, slow down, even your exercising, breathe in gratitude. I don't know why I love that. Just accepting that this is happening now, these negative body images. Don't go forcing yourself to do exercises that make you feel, because the more pain you feel during this period, the worse you're gonna feel. Okay, so don't give up on your fitness goal. Remember, if you want more and more of this, join the Move It Love method, because it's going to be the last time you're going to ever wonder what to do for your fitness goal. It's going to be the last time you're going to ever have to diet. It's going to be the last time you're ever going to have to go through these cycles, because after 3 months with me, you would know what to do to really take care of yourself, take care of your body, build more bodily awareness, which in turn helps you grow, age gracefully. It's important. Aging doesn't mean you start to feel more pain. That is the life on the pit of hell. It doesn't mean that, right? But if you practice, the reason it has been happening is that we don't practice these healthy lifestyle habits. And it's easy to say drink water, exercise, but people are going through different specific things, and our history is different. Our what we know, what we don't know, it's different for every one of us. So if you want more of this, join the Move It Love coaching method, and watch you glow and build a strong, healthy, happy body and glow from the inside out. It was awesome doing teaching this webinar today. It's exciting. It gets more exciting as time goes on. Thank you so much to everyone that joined me on Facebook, on Zoom. And okay, I was not streaming on Instagram. Have a very beautiful day, everyone. And if you have any question about the Move It Love method, please send me a message on Instagram. You can reply my email, send me a message on WhatsApp. You'll find everything on my Instagram or Facebook. Have a very good day, everyone. Bye.